To begin, come onto your back with your knees bent and your thighs parallel and hip distance apart. Next, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Flex your front foot. Pull your left knee in toward your chest. Thread your right arm through the triangle between your legs and clasp your hands around the back of your left leg. As you draw your left leg in toward you, simultaneously press your right knee away from you. Return to the starting position.